Philippines. This is Pag-asa Weather Update. My name is Stephen Calmanibo, your Kiddie Patrol reporter. A tropical cyclone has entered the Philippine area of responsibilities, and authorities have begun hosting tropical cyclone wind signals over several provinces. To our kapamilya, kapuso, and kapatid listening across to our archipelago, please take note of the following signal levels and what they mean for your safety. Signal number 1. Strong winds. 30 to 60 kilometers per hour expected within 36 hours. Impact. Minimal to minor threat. Some houses of very light materials may partially unroofed. Business as usual, but stay tuned. Just check your house for minor repairs and keep your gadgets charged. Disaster preparedness is activated to alert status. Signal number 2. Gale force winds. 61 to 120 kilometers per hour expected within 24 hours. Impact. Minor to moderate threat. Old wooden poles and light materials may be damaged. Secure outdoor objects. Sea level for small seacraft is risky and should be avoided. Signal number 3. Storm force winds. 121 to 170 kilometers per hour expected within 18 hours. Impact. Moderate to heavy threat. Majority of nipa and kogon houses may be unroofed, and there may be considerable damage to structures of light and medium construction. Stay indoors. Evacuate if you live in low-lying or landslide-prone areas. Signal number 4. Typhoon force winds. 171 to 220 kilometers per hour expected within 12 hours. Impact. Heavy to heavy threat. Severe damage to structures made from light materials and significant damage to well-built houses. Full emergency mode. All outdoor activities must be cancelled. Signal number 5. Super typhoon force winds. 220 kilometers per hour or higher. Expected within 12 hours. Impact. Extreme threat to life and property. Widespread damage and total power communication. Outages are likely. Immediate evacuation to the sturdy concrete shelters. This is a life-threatening situation. Remember these signals. Focus on wind strength. Heavy rainfall can cause flooding and landslides, even in areas under signal number 1. Please prepare your go bags, including water, canned goods, flashlights, and your first aid kits. Please keep your radios turned to the station for the next bulletin. Keep safe, everyone! Laging handa, Pilipinas! Once again, this is Stephen Calmanibo, your Kitty Patrol reporter.